Hey y'all, I previously told you guys that I used Natural 85 sweet potato mask. Tried it, loved it, but I did get a residue after using it. So I kind of just tweaked her recipe just a bit so that I wouldn't get the residue after using it. So we're going to start off with hot water, not hot enough to cook the potatoes any further because they're already baked, but hot enough to draw all of that nutrients out of the sweet potatoes. So guys, this is the amount of sweet potato I'm actually going to be putting in my hair. As you know, sweet potatoes are just as good for you on the inside as it is on the out. So I kind of ate the majority of the sweet potato and just cut off the ends to put in my hair. Now in the blender, we're just going to throw in that hot water and the sweet potatoes and blend it until it's smooth. So this is how we're going to get rid of that residue. We're just going to strain the sweet potato mixture. This is going to leave us with the vitamins and nutrients from the sweet potatoes without all of the solid parts because those can't penetrate your hair strands anyway, so it's no point of it being there, right? So now all we have to do is mix everything together. I'm starting off with a base deep conditioner, and this is my current fave. This is the Belle Crenier Sweet Sugar Deep Conditioner. I just love, love, love it. And I'm just gonna add that sweet potato juice to that. You can stop here, but I also added some shea powder, aloe vera juice, and some Rhassoul clay. I already had all of these for another video, but they're great to put in deep conditioner, so why not? But you can still get a great deep conditioner by putting the sweet potato juice in with your favorite deep conditioner. You're just going to keep on mixing until you get the consistency that you like. So my hair is freshly washed using my clay mask, you guys. I just love what the clay mask does for my hair. It's just so juicy and moisturized, and I haven't even conditioned yet. But yeah, so we're just gonna apply this deep conditioner all over our hair. I condition my hair with a deep conditioning cap for about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. But you can do longer if you want. Look at how easy it is for me to detangle my hair right now. Like, I haven't used any detangling tools in so long. I just love what the combination of these clay masks and deep conditioners have done to my hair. Like, what have I been doing the past 6 years of me being natural? I need to get my life. I mean, just look at the juice. Whoa! Guys, I love it. I love it if you can't tell. So, you know I gotta do a slow mo. Oh my god, I just love it. I have never loved my hair so much in its natural state. Please come get your life with me and use these clay masks and do the deep conditioner. You will not be sorry. Oh, I almost forgot. I've been using straight up aloe vera juice to end my wash days. You can use it as a leave in. This is like my leave in before the leave in because I still add a store bought leave in. But you know. At this point, my wash day is complete. It just goes into protective style from here. As always, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye.